So you're thinking about starting a home care agency in Texas for 2025? Well, you are in exactly the right spot. We are going to break down this entire journey into a simple, clear roadmap. Let's dive right in. You've got that drive, right? That passion for helping people in your community. And honestly, that's the most important piece of the puzzle. But let's be real, turning that passion into a business that's successful and, actually compliant, that's the real trick. So today, we're going to map that whole thing out for you. And this slide right here really nails it. On one side, you've got the dream, making a huge difference for families. But on the other side, you've got the reality, which can feel like a maze of regulations. Our whole goal here is to hand you the map to get through that maze. So let's kick things off with part one, your regulatory roadmap. Think of this as getting your bearings before you even turn the key in the ignition. It's all about understanding the official licenses you're going to need. Okay, first things first, let's get our vocabulary right. The most important acronym you need to know is HCSSA. It stands for Home and Community Support Services Agency. This license is your official key to the kingdom. It's absolutely non-negotiable for legally operating any home care agency in Texas. Now, right out of the gate, you have a huge choice to make. It's kind of like a fork in the road. Are you going to focus on non-medical care, like helping folks with daily tasks? If so, you're on the path for a Personal Assistance Services, or PAS, license. Or are you planning to offer skilled nursing and medical services? That's a whole different, more complex route, and you'll need a home health or hospice license. This decision right here shapes everything else you're going to do. Okay, so you've got a handle on the kind of license you need. Let's move on to Section 2, actually building your business foundation. Because before you can even think about applying for that HCSSA license, your business has to be a real, official thing in the eyes of Texas and the IRS. So it's basically a four-step dance. First, you've got to pick your business structure. A lot of agencies go with an LLC to protect themselves. Step 2, you make it official with the Texas Secretary of State. Third, you get your employer ID number, your EIN, from the IRS. You'll need that for taxes, for hiring, for pretty much everything. And last but not least, don't forget to check with your local city or county for any permits they might require. All right, I need you to remember this name. Tulip. No, not the flower. It's the Texas Unified Licensure Information Portal. This is the official online gateway for everything. Your entire HCSAL license application, it all happens right here in Tulip. Okay, let's talk about the cost, because this is a big one. The initial application fee for that HCSSA license is $2,625. And here's the kicker. That fee is non-refundable. That is exactly why you have to get all your ducks in a row before you click that submit button. All right, let's take a deep breath. We're now at what I like to call the critical compliance hurdle. This is honestly the single biggest challenge for most new agencies. It's where people get stuck, but we're going to make it super clear for you. So here it is, straight from the state. You are legally required to create and maintain a huge manual of all your agency's policies and procedures. This isn't a friendly suggestion, you guys. It's the law under Texas Chapter 558. It is not optional. Which, of course, leads to the million-dollar question, what on earth is supposed to go in one of these manuals? I know, it can feel totally overwhelming, but really, it's all about writing down exactly how your agency is going to handle every key situation, both safely and legally. And when I say it's comprehensive, I mean it. You need detailed policies for everything. We're talking an emergency preparedness plan, infection control, client care protocols. It also has to cover how you'll handle quality improvement, prevent workplace violence, and of course, your entire process for hiring and training your team. It's a beast, which is why a ton of new owners start with compliant templates just to make sure they don't miss anything. Whew. Okay, once you've wrestled that paperwork beast to the ground, you can finally shift your focus from paper to people. It is time to talk about building your actual team. So every agency is required to have an administrator and an alternate. And these can't just be anybody. They have to meet specific state qualifications, they have to complete a required online training course, and, you guessed it, they have to pass a criminal background check. These are your leaders. And here's a crucial tip for once you actually start hiring people. You have got to file quarterly wage reports with the Texas Workforce Commission. This is an ongoing task you can't let slip. It's essential for staying in good standing with the state. All right, let's bring it all home. Our final section, getting you ready for that 2025 launch. This is where we put all the pieces of the puzzle together. Think of this table as your ultimate cheat sheet. It connects every big requirement to the government agency that's in charge of it. You've got HSSC handling the license and policies, the IRS for your tax number, the Secretary of State for your business registration, and the Texas Workforce Commission for all your payroll stuff. It's the perfect high-level summary. And one last really important piece of advice. Your first HSCSA license is good for 3 years. The secret to a stress-free renewal is to stay on top of any rule changes from HSSC and to keep all your documents, especially that big policy manual, up to date. Compliance isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing commitment. So there you have it, the complete path from that initial spark of passion to a fully licensed, ready-to-go home care agency in Texas. Yeah, the rules are detailed, but they are absolutely navigable. You have the roadmap now. So the only question left is, are you ready to begin?